From the faucets
to create a faucet that is 1 gallons per minute flow rather than the standard 2.2 gallons per minute.
to the fans,
We have Energy Star ceiling fans and lights, and the ceiling fans are a higher performing fan.
to the lighting,
It just floods the whole area full of light with no light fixture being on.
and the countertops.
It's called Ice Stone, and it's made from recycled bottles and crushed abalone shells.
The Hamer house in Lake Forest is decked out with eco-friendly products inside and out.
Yeah, I would say that. Yes, that's accurate.
The Hamers purchased this home 10 years ago and just recently transformed it into a green home.
We felt like it would really be beneficial to the public to be able to know about these other ways to go with their remodel instead of just the conventional methods.
They took this 1970s built home and transformed it into a natural gas, water, and energy-saving home with an array of 16 solar panels. The rooftop provides enough energy to reduce the home's electric bills by an expected 75 to 80%.
Now it says we've got $44.30 that we've saved in the last week since the system was activated. Here shows you the production of solar energy, electricity, that's being generated by the panels.
It took the Hamers about 4 months to complete the transformation, and it cost around $200,000. This is the only house of its kind here in Orange County, and Vivian, being the first eco-broker in the OC, saw an underserved market in need of some help.
I want to change that and help to bring about a lot more green homes that someone can actually look at if they're looking to purchase.
So if you're in the market for an eco-friendly home or just curious, the Hamer team has a gem to show you. In Lake Forest, I'm Julie Cook for Daybreak OC.